Hey yo traveler! This is the picture that I saw on Aliexpress, and the seller claims that you can buy original Bandai product, and I thought, who the fuck gonna order? Is this a freaking JoJo item? Hell yeah, I'm gonna buy it. And I bought 2 times from him, but also when I was buying that, I saw another seller saying kinda similar vibes. So I bought something from him, and then I saw some freaking gachapon of Quintessential Quintuplets, and I thought, well, why the hell not? Opening the first package, I mean, I already opened to check what it was, but I haven't seen anything. And for the first time, you and me, I will watch and see what kind of Bandai products I got. And I really hope for JoJo or some awesome figure. I have no freaking idea what I can get. So this is the first one, and it's a keychain, and it's a K-on keychain. Those are the ones you can get. And let's see who I got. I haven't seen a K-on, so I wouldn't know who that is. But the keychain tells me it's a guitar or a bass player. And looking on the quality is kind of shit, but at the same time, probably if you will buy it in Japan itself, it would cost like $3, and for that price, I mean, that's cool. But is it an official Bandai product? That's the question, because they claim to be official Bandai products. I think so, if I'm looking at the packaging. That's item number 1. They're 3 in there. And that's item number 3. And that's One Piece. Hey, that's kind of cool. And I already can tell from what is displayed on the packaging, it's stickers, and it also says mini sticker. There are 38 in this set. I don't know how, but I opened it without opening it. That's freaking ass-sucking shit. What is this? Okay, also looking like an official product, so maybe it is an official Bandai. Oh, do I get all of them? Holy shit, for real? I thought you will get only a few. I have seen like almost 700 episodes. That's a cool one. Over One Piece. And I mean, I really enjoyed it, but I catched up with the anime and I just hate it. I don't know how you do this, guys, like watching one episode at the week and then waiting for another one. I just can't. It bothers me. Most of the time I binge my animes, and then I stopped it, and now I have like almost 400 episodes to watch, something like that, and I'm just like not committed to One Piece anymore, although it's great anime. For the time that I will get to watch freaking One Piece, I can watch like another 40, maybe less, 30 animes. Like freaking 30 instead of One Piece. But this one is actually cool. I really like the stickers and like some theme around it. And the last item is actually the biggest item in this set. And sadly, that's not something I recognize or know. It's from 2020 McDonald's toys. Contents made in China. I see back for safety information, bruh. Does it count as a Bandai product? I mean, I don't know. Bandai is not only anime, obviously, so probably it does. If it doesn't, let me know in the comments. So now we see what we got. We got probably this blender. And let's see, yes, that's the thing we got. And it's kind of heavy, actually. Like a good amount of plastic. This is awesome. Holy shit. It works very well. Those were the first 3 items, which is alright, I guess. But let's switch from this seller to another seller. I'm really curious to see what's in the egg. And this one won't probably have some JoJo in it. He also claims to be like official Bandai stuff that you can get, like random stuff. What the fuck is this? What the fuck? I mean, it is official. It's not like some Ugh, boy, what the fuck? What is this? What the fuck? I don't know about this one. Another item. I think I bought also 6 items from here, or 5 items, and it's a car. It's a freaking car. How do I open this? Oh, okay, my bad. So let's see at the styles you can get. Is there something special?
Fucking damn it.
They're all the same cars, almost. So there's not like a special one that I can see like, whoa, that's in Lamborghini or something. The only difference is in colors and like the lamps. And I mean, it's a freaking Super GT car. Does it have? It can't even freaking ride properly. Like you hear. Oh, now it can. Bro, what the fuck? Nissan. What the fuck? Okay. That one was boring. Also, that's Danganronpa, and also how much would that be? Editor me in the future. Tell us how many dollars is it. And I don't think there will be something special in it. I just can't imagine. Do I dare? Do I fucking dare to use it? What for is this plastic? To protect these, I guess? Those are stickers? That's kinda neat. That's kinda nice. I don't need them, but I mean, sure. For sale in Japan only. Aliexpress, are you making me a criminal? What the fuck? Okay, I'm gonna smell it first. It smells nice. Fuck it, I guess. We are food channel now. That's alright. I mean, it's just a normal bubblegum, a fruity flavor. I just hope I will be alive for second few hours after. Oh no, is it the same shit? That's the same shit, but for another seller. God damn it. At least I can feel it. That's something else. It's something flat. It's either this one or this one, I believe. It's a pen. But, okay. I don't fucking... Is this like... What the fuck am I doing with this channel? Sorry, guys. But I mean, we're exploring new things. And I'm really glad you came and you're staying. You're a freaking legend for staying with me so far. Love you very much. And the first seller, again, I really hope for Georgia shit. But probably I will not get that much luck. 3 items in this one. And after this one, we are opening Quintessential Quintuplets. Minigate. Bump Resto. Okay, that's interesting. That's cool. That's cool. I can't freaking tell what's inside. It's flat, that's for sure. And it's looking hella old, by the way. Also made be opened once, because this tape is looking hella sus. But no, I don't think it was opened, because otherwise this would not be intact. Okay, it's just really old, I think, from looking to this. And let's see. Oh, that's a huge ass pin. How do you call it? Is it a pin? Okay, and what do we have here? Some anime. Okay, Bump Resto 2016. So it is old. You can kind of see my face. Let me know in the comments if you know which anime that is. That's kind of cool to get, I guess. It wouldn't be a hit if it was something I know, but whatever. So what do we have here? Again, a freaking sticker and a bubblegum. And I'm not gonna taste this bubblegum. Oh, this is kind of different. Oh, hell no, I'm not gonna eating this. Fuck no, look at that. The juice came outside. Am I... No, okay. I might just get a little... This one is better, what the fuck? And that is some card. Is it a card? Yeah, it looks like a card. Okay. I actually prefer this one above the freaking stickers. And the last item is sadly no JoJo. So I got no luck with this. And that is... What the fuck is this? I don't fucking know what that is. It's like some shit they couldn't sell. And now they're making profit out of the idiots like me. And that's a keychain, and that's a cat. Okay. Last items are these 2 balls that are Quintessential Quintuplets. And I don't know which one I'll get out of the 5. So let's hope for Nino, Miku or Itsuki. The other 2 I don't like that much. So also just from the looking at the capsule itself, you can tell it's official Bandai, so it's not fake. So I bought again an official or a genuine gachapon toy on Aliexpress. Which is insane, because, I mean, Aliexpress stays for a lot of janky shit. Let's see who I get. Freaking bitch, I wanted at least. The least. Come on, man, why? 20% of getting her and I got her. God damn it. At least I hope the other one is better. But the quality of this one is actually alright for the price I paid. I can't remember what I paid. It's probably around $5, $6 maybe. I know that I need to do this, otherwise I wouldn't be able to open it. And I think that's Itsuki. Yes! It's not Itsuki, fuck Itsuki. It's freaking Nino, let's go! Okay, you give me the best and the freaking worst, I take it. I freaking take it. That's how freaking balance works. That's how Thanos wanted it. Nice, okay, let's go. Anywho, thank you for watching this random piece of shit video. I'm really glad if you stayed that long. I don't fucking... What is above the legend? Like, an incredible person? Yes, that's you for watching this whole video. Thank you so much. And I will see you in another one. Bye!